Time limit is of 30 seconds and the topic is find something of your favorite color.
Ma'am, fast, your time starts
Of our
now.
favorite color.
What?
Favorite
Please repeat. I have not got your question.
It can be anything, ma'am.
Okay,
Adul
once I
ma'am, are
will
you
say
saying something? Ma'am,
find
Please
something find
repeat, please.
something which is of your favorite color.
Ma'am, of your favorite color, find something of your favorite color. Find something of your favorite color. Fast.
And more to.
Show.
We have to take the hand.
And first
Yes, after doing all the things.
things
The time
Your favorite, that all you have to bring, and ma'am, all you have to show.
okay. First,
Stop.
will show how much she has brought.
Time had been finished, so please start.
Pink.
Ma'am,
Vasudha
Pink
ma'am,
is my
show your
favorite color.
things you have brought.
So, think of pink color. Pink is my favorite color.
Pink color.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elastic also.
Okay,
Ma'am,
someone
ma'am,
write their
instead-
objects.
Okay, I am also ready.
All teachers
Okay.
are requested to write their quantities in chat box,
It
please.
was granted or not?
It would be easier.
Vasudha ma'am, write your things with your name.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Yes, all teachers, please.
All teachers, please no cheating and write all the names.
Okay. 16.
And all teachers have
Shall
to
I
play the
lower
game.
my
All
hand?
teachers have to write the things.
Oh my God.
and you
Yes,
have to show
yes.
to us also. Ma'am,
Yes, and you have to
you have
show
selected
also. So no
13,
cheating. We
12.
will ask you to
We
show how
want to
many you
see.
have brought.
We want to see that.
Yes.
King's name also.
Okay.
No, you write first the things only, but when we will ask that time, you have to show how much you have brought.
Okay. We have to write also what we have
Yes,
brought.
your name
Only
and
I
your
have
number.
written.
Ma'am,
How
don't
many
write.
you have brought.
Just show us. Ma'am, you don't write. You
Ma'am,
just
you
show.
don't write. You just write that how much
Just-
things you
So,
the number
show
of
your
candidates.
things what you have brought. We will count that who have brought more. She will
when you tell that time only we'll show, no?
Yes,
show,
ma'am.
When you tell that time only we'll show, no?
Ma'am,
Yes.
show now.
Or now
Show,
we'll
ma'am.
show.
We will count who have brought more.
Huh.
First,
Okay.
Okay, first,
One.
Vasudha ma'am, you count. You
first
count every.
Vasudha ma'am will.
4, 6. I said no 6 things. 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
4,
ma'am.
5, 6. Okay.
Okay, Vasudha
Varsha
ma'am have
ma'am,
brought
it's
16.
your turn now.
What? I?
Yes,
Me?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you show your things now. How much you have
2, 3, 4. This 5. Petrol 6. Doormat 7. And 8.
Okay.
This I got
Ma'am have
9.
brought 8.
This I got 9.
Okay, ma'am.
टेलिग्राम पे इकडे दाखवायचंय.
Vedika ma'am, now you can show your things.
First, my baby's t-shirt, pink. Then cycle. Then powder, 2 powder. And this is hairband. Her hairband.
Her dress also.
Box.
And you?
T-shirt.
You, your dress
And
also.
Mask. Wait. 1, 2, 3,
You also?
4, 5, 6,
Oh, that is important.
9.
Yes.
9 things.
Yes, ma'am. Madhur ma'am, now it's your turn.
So,
Ma'am, you are muted.
Ma'am,
Madhuri
please
ma'am.
unmute yourself.
Please unmute yourself.
Yeah. Bangle, bat, book, bag, dustbin, comb, tub, then bangle box, apple, and
red
ball.
is favorite or what?
Yes, red.
Red
Ma'am,
is
total how
favorite?
many things are there?
Ma'am,
14,
total how
14.
many things are there? 14.
14. And my chopper red.
You will directly kitchen or what?
Mostly things are found there only red.
So what is coming in orange red, na, ma'am?
Well done, Madhuri ma'am.
I like red color.
Good.
Even I'm wearing red sari only.
Can I bring more things? Oh.
Ma'am, Chanchal ma'am, now it's your turn.
Then 16.
Okay. Bottle. Then cap. Then clip. Then lipstick. Then sanitizer bottle. Then purse. Then compass. Then mirror. Then oil. And then piggy bank. Then pea food. Then wire. Then bag, transparent reddish bag, and red pen, and even red scale.
This is too long, I think. It's too long list, huh?
Ma'am, total how
Well
many
done.
things are there?
15.
I think so time limit should be given.
Yes.
Ma'am, it was given, ma'am. No problem.
Time
let
limit
it
is
on.
there, then.
What time was there?
I'm only
20
30 seconds
seconds.
for me.
Ma'am, only 30 seconds.
I said no.
Okay.
Let's sing.
Only 7 things I have. Okay, I'll show you. See, powder bottle, powder.
Don't worry, Pragati. I had 6 things only.
This is gas. Okay, then it is cup. Toys is a plate. Okay, total 7 things are there.
Preeti ma'am, now you can show.
Me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In pink color, I have only 5 things now. Bottle. This rose water. Small one aeroplane. And one clock piece. These all are same color, huh? Mismatch is not there.
Okay.
Ma'am, Priya ma'am, it's now your turn. Ma'am, your audio is muted.
Okay, okay. This is knife, cutter, heat, this sanitizer, this my cream, bottle, this one, this clutcher, lip balm, this one, this pin, and this dabba. I think 13 things are there. Total 13 things. 13 objects I have brought. Okay.
Now again, I request all the teachers to please turn their cameras. And lower their hands. Okay, Swastik, now next.
Yes, now let's begin second round. This round is going to be somewhat complicated, and the time limits will be only for 30 seconds. So teachers have to find something that starts from your name's first letter. I repeat, teachers have to find
Okay.
something that
Teachers,
starts
wait, teachers,
from
wait.
your
Let
name's
everyone
first
get
letter.
ready.
Wait. Ma'am, wait.
Wait, ma'am.
Wait,
Listening to me,
wait.
na?
Time is not started yet. See, again,
Ma'am,
we are
Wait,
repeating thing that starts with your first letter.
that you have to find.
Okay.
Like my name is Anmol, so first letter is A. Okay, your time starts now.
Start or not?
You have
Ma'am,
just
start.
30 seconds.
Camera on. Keep your camera on. Don't close.
On your camera.
Gentlemen, on your camera.
count the time.
1 second.
Sorry, but you can't turn off your camera, ma'am. Everybody have to turn on it.
Yes, we are
And
keeping
count
eye
the time
on.
also.
Time
No,
out.
count time.
Time up,
now.
time up.
Time
all
up,
teachers.
time up.
Come on, your
Teachers,
places,
time
please,
up. Now
fast.
you can bring.
No one has
Okay,
brought
okay.
Time is up.
I brought
Vasudha ma'am,
1,
time
2,
is up.
3, 4, 5.
All the teachers raise their hands fast.
Fast now. Now things will
Time
not
up.
be. Please raise your hands. Yes, Madhur ma'am, please show your collection. Ma'am, you are muted.
First of all the teachers turn on the cameras.
Now, see, mug,
Yes.
mat, mask, mobile, moisturizer, mirchi,
Many things are there.
move,
Vasudha madam.
mogar, matti. Enough. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very
good,
Madhuri.
Varsha ma'am, it's your turn.
अरे my first letter is V. Your mobile.
अच्छा.
Vithoba company powder.
Very good.
Fast. 3 objects are there.
Okay. Priya ma'am, it's your turn.
Raj. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Vasudha ma'am, it's your turn.
I could find only 1, 2 things, not more. I'll tell. V, such a difficult name. I understood right now. Vessel, Vati, Wahi. Vessel,
Ma'am,
Vati,
it is different
Wahi.
language.
Okay.
Ma'am, one language you use, ma'am.
Vati.
No, left.
But Vasudha madam, I also we.
Just English one vessel.
Priti ma'am, now it's your turn.
Such a
Okay.
difficult letter it is. I was finding everything by
on P.
M letter
On
only.
P.
Madhuri ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Can I? On P, first is purse, then powder,
Yes.
pickle,
Oh.
then parachute, Pedeka box, plant, pencil, pen,
Pedeka
key,
box.
pouch,
Pant.
Pant. over.
How many?
Good one.
11 are there. 11.
Vedika ma'am, now it's your turn.
Actually, I was inspired by Varsha ma'am, huh? Vithoba Dantamanjan.
Okay, my only 2 things. One is van, and second is Vanga.
Give.
2 things.
Very nice. Too good.
Prachi ma'am, now it's your turn.
Varsha is inspiring many, huh?
Vanga?
Vanga. Vanga, I will show that Vanga.
Prachi ma'am, now it's your turn.
Second. I have only 3 things. Pencil, pen and pouch.
Oh my god.
Vedika, Vanga is too much funny.
Vedika, I loved Vanga feeling.
Okay.
Sorry.
Cord, then coin, then chocolate, then cap, then clip, then and again this cap wearing, and then comb.
Nice.
Total 8 things.
Ma'am, Priya ma'am, it's your
8
turn.
things. 8 things I'm having.
8 things.
Ma'am, if you have
Ma'am.
cauliflower in
Ma'am,
your
now it's
fridge,
your-
you but Vedika.
Vasudha ma'am.
Our letter is too difficult. V. What?
Yeah, no,
Varsha ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am, please turn on your videos.
They're only finding now. I'll remember this, Vedika.
Yeah, ma'am.
V for Vanga.
It's your turn.
Me? Yes, yes.
Yes,
Sorry,
ma'am.
sorry. See, eyebrow powder. Then again pin. Pen. Perfume. Pillow. So nice letter you have. P. Pad. This is.
What?
This is
What?
what? No, again she came with pad. She was with Vanga and she's with pad. Nice. Good, yeah. No, I already
अब पार्टी हो जाएंगी वांग पैच सब आ गया धीरे धीरे सब आ जाएगा
पेड़े का डब्बा भी रेडी है पेड़े का डब्बा भी रेडी है
हाँ पेड़े का डब्बा भी है
और मेरी वाटी में लेके खाएंगे
कौन कौन खाएगा उसमें
वांगा पेड़ा और ओनियन तीनों का मिला के बेल बन सकता वेसल भी है हाँ वेसल भी है गुड वन
Now we will proceed to further round.
Who is left now?
Are all ready for it?
Okay. Yeah, we are.
Ma'am, please turn on your video. Please don't turn off it.
Yes, ma'am. Please turn on your video.
While you are playing that, also your video should be turned on.
Now the thing which you have to find is you have to find that thing which is taller than your height.
No. No.
Ma'am, taller means you can go to that closer thing also.
Oh my God. We have to bring our husband. Yes, husband. We have to bring our husband.
How we can bring? How we will bring the fridge?
Ma'am, you can go near the thing. Ma'am, you can go near the thing.
Go near the thing. And your time starts now.
Okay. We cannot bring it, no?
Yes, that door corners we can't bring with us.
You can go near it now.
Now we are with door. We are with door, okay?
You can stand near.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Everybody is having a door.
First, then this is the fridge.
No, this is not taller than my height.
Yes. This door is more than my height. Yes.
This is the fridge.
Yes.
Ma'am, time up.
How we count? How we will count the thing?
I am ready to show the thing.
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Should I?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
you can.
ma'am.
Tell mommy you can.
Okay. So, I'll show you. This is that, what to say, for cleaning it comes jhadu.
Jhadu.
Okay, it is more than height then. Yeah. Then,
Yes,
one chaddar, it is also very
Yes.
longer than me. And also my ring light, it goes higher than me. My ring light. And also the door.
Could pass this round.
Hey, I left, no. I didn't show.
I also.
And one more thing, I can just go to the tree also. Wall is there. And just wait. I'll be just going. And the trees are more bigger than me.
Yeah.
Okay, Vasudha ma'am, now it's your turn.
Okay. First of all, okay, Okay, taller. Like a curtain. This curtain. Okay? This is obviously taller than me. Then after the door. Cupboard. One more cupboard. Okay. Then the bed. This is obviously. Okay? The bed. Gate. This is obviously again taller than me. There are many things actually taller than me. Rack.
On, yes.
And the tree. As you said, tree.
Standing still.
Cooler. That's it. That's it. Okay. Counted the things I didn't. Hello? Was it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Varsha,
ma'am.
now it's your turn.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's your turn.
Who's?
Varsha, you
is
are
there?
muted.
Varsha, ma'am. Varsha, ma'am, your turn now.
अच्छा okay. दुपट्टा, साड़ी, this curtain, bedsheet, wall, बस.
Pragati, ma'am, now it's your Ma'am, you are muted.
Things, no? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
All are having same thing.
Door, wall, curtain.
Ah,
No, I was with different.
I want again one is given.
that seems I don't have.
One thing has gone to office.
Ma'am, those who will bring different things, he will be the winner, ma'am, of this round. Wall, curtain.
I don't have different with the same thing I'm having. Only gate I can show you, which is taller than me.
Okay. Can I show my thing?
Yes, go ahead.
This is a water
Yes,
pipe.
Vedika, ma'am.
Oh
Taller
my
than
god.
me. Too much taller than me. Water pipe and one is cleaning jhadu.
Broom.
Then wall, curtain. It is cupboard also.
Yeah.
Nice.
Preeti, ma'am, now it's your turn.
Yes, I'm having the same dear. One blanket. Okay. And then bed sheet. Okay. And then this door. And one thing I got now in my husband's dumbbell. One rod is here. So in that rod, na?
Hello.
I got this rod.
Anmol.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello, Anmol.
And this door also. So
Yes, ma'am.
Anmol.
I got four
Anmol,
things.
listen. Hey, she's my niece. She's taller than me. she's my niece. She's taller than me. Okay, the different one.
You have to find things.
Okay, mine is done, beta.
Hey,
Living things are allowed now.
that is
Living things
human
are allowed.
being.
Allowed?
Living things are
Yes,
allowed
it is
now.
allowed, no? Yeah. allowed.
Yeah, I'm having one thing different.
It's a different one.
I'm having.
Arey, husbands were not at home.
Yes, na baba.
Okay.
Can I tell?
6 feet. I'm
Your
carrying
son.
6
Your
feet.
son. Your son.
Who's mine now? Mine is over.
Yes, Madhuri ma'am. I will say that all things are common only, but only one thing is important, that my all family members are taller than me.
Oh, same here. Same here. Same here.
Oh, my son also, daughter also, father-in-law, mother-in-law, and even my husband.
Really, yeah.
Most important, son and daughter, they
Hey,
are
one
also
thing I
taller
also
than me.
want to show.
Come now.
Hey, one thing I also want to show again. See, this board is also taller than me. I forgot this.
And mine also, I'm the shortest teachers of my branch. I come in my shortest teacher of my branch.
Really. I share the same sorrow.
Okay, any teacher is having except the three-thread cupboard wall and door.
All are basic things actually.
I got
Okay, ma'am, then
I got
we will
extra
move
one.
next
Listen now, I
round.
got extra one. Listen once. I got extra one. Can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my house, dear. It is
Wow.
house.
Wow. 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 Are we living in Eskimos? are we Eskimos living in igloo?
But nobody has used this name now. Nobody is
Wow.
telling. So that's why.
Okay, now here the game is concluded. So now okay, we will move to next part. The game is concluded here. First of all, thank you to all teachers. Your teachers are not only teachers, you are our friend, philosopher, and guide. All models are there into you all, and we are always grateful to have your support. We all are so grateful to be your student, and thank you for challenging us to be our best and instilling in us our passion for learning. Now, to tell more about more about you all, I will ask to Khushi Chak to deliver us.
A hearty good morning to all my respected and benevolent teachers and to all my dear friends. Today, here on the online platform, we all have gathered to celebrate Teachers' Day, a day which is kept aside to honor the gifted souls contributed who have contributed a great future. So, here I am Khushi Chetan Chandak to express my few words on this occasion. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the soul that gives us hope and strength to survive is our teacher. So let's welcome all the teachers with a big round of applause. On this occasion, we have the opportunity to convey all the wishes to our beloved who have given an impeccable contribution in shaping us. Every year, 5th September is celebrated as a Teacher's Day. September 5th is considered as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He what can you tell me since when and how the Teachers' Day concept celebration has arisen in India? Can anyone tell me?
No. No idea.
Concept has arisen since 1962. The Teachers' Day concept has arisen since 1962 in India. On 5th September 1962, P. Radhakrishnan was chosen as the second president of India. Being a beloved teacher, some of his students asked him and requested him to let them celebrate his birthday as on the 5th September. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan said, rather than celebrating 5th September as my birthday, if you celebrate it as a Teacher's Day, it would be more proud moment for me. It's not just the saying that everything and everyone around us teaches us something. Our prime education begins at home. As we grow older and meet other peoples, we learn many things. Experiences and mistakes are our great teachers. They teach us how to handle the situation and survive in the real world. And again, on the behalf of all the students, I wish all teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. You showed us the right way. I am privileged to learn under your guidance, and I will be proud to say that I am cultivated by the finest guides. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kushi. Thank you.
Very nice,
Thank you,
Kushi. Thank
Kushi,
you.
for such an
Very
informative
nice.
Thank you, beta.
speech.
All the
Thank you,
students who
Kushi.
had conducted very good program. We like all your
And thank you,
programs.
everyone.
Whatever efforts,
Everyone, you made
yes,
our
they
day.
are taking. They are conducted
Yes.
digitally. Yes, they are very sound. Yes. Now they are very
Yes,
expert in
yes,
this technology
yes.
also. Like our teachers today, they conducted a very good program. Very good means games they had arranged. Yes, online
Yes,
games they had.
and we even cannot think also. They have done it
Ah,
very
yes,
nicely.
yes.
Like,
Very nicely, you had arranged all the games you had conducted. Our teachers also responded very good. Very good program. I like your that power presentation, whatever you had shown.
actually,
It is also very good.
we were feeling from the morning. We were feeling so like lonely
Yeah,
only. Like every
Ah,
year,
we were
like
yes,
missing that
yes,
part.
we
Yes, yes,
We were
yes.
missing
are
that
very
part.
school used to be school. But
yes,
you really made our day, children. Really. Thank
Yes,
you very
thank you
much for
so
that,
much.
everyone. Everyone. Yes.
very.
So
We
nice.
are missing all the programs, and all the year now. Whatever is going, that
Yes. Yes.
15 August and everything,
Yes.
we are missing you all. But today we
Correct.
enjoy this with you all again. Yes, in touch with the school and
Correct.
all
Yes.
students. Thank you, all of you.
That
Conduction is
feel
very
only
good
is
program.
important today for us.
That will we got. We feel something. Yes, not 100%, but 20% we got.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you, children. Very good arrangement you had made. Very
Really.
good. Teachers also very good.
Really.
Thank you, all of you. Yes. Okay. Bye, all of you. Enjoy
Thank.
the day.
Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Okay.
Bye,
ma'am.
bye, bye.
And a
Good
very
Thank you,
day.
happy
Good day,
beta.
all of
Teachers'
you.
Day
Ma'am.
to all the teachers.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Thank you,
Same
Thank
to
you,
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
children. Class, very good. You had your performance is very good.
Yes, we are.
Good, Prani.
They made us feel that we are still teachers, even though we are sitting at home
Yes,
still.
yes, yes.
Yes,
Today
exactly.
we got that attachment they have, yes, with us. They
Yes.
proved. Yes.
Really.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Very good, very good.
Okay. Bye,
Yes.
bye, ma'am. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye,
Bye
children.
bye, all
Thank
of
you
you.
very much.
Yes, bye.
Bye.
Yes, yes, yes.
It a part of a program. That's the conclusion. Now to end up this program and to give vote of thanks, I would like Spark.
Yes, good afternoon, one and all present here. My name is Parth and I'm from 10th standard. Today I am here to give vote of thanks on this wonderful day. This
You
is
on your
the year
video
of
first,
great
Parth.
changes.
You
Yes,
on your video. Hmm.
this is the day,
Start.
this is the year of great changes in our life. So this program was also a different as it usually was. First of all, I would like to thank all the teachers to guide all of us in the journey of our life and teaching new things on each steps of our life toward the success. I would like to thank the principal of EHS Gitanagar, Shweta ma'am, the principal of Keshav Nagar, Suvarna ma'am, and the principal of Rautwadi, Jyoti ma'am, to help us and giving permission to arrange this program on this platform. Now I would like to thank all the students involved in the organization of this program and the conduction to be held smoothly. Once again, I would like to thank all the teachers who attend the program, made once again, happy teachers, all the teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, Parth.
Welcome. Ma'am.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am, to all of you.
If any ma'am want to talk, then
Thank you, Beta.
please.
Guys, turn on your camera. We want to see you.
Chalo, bye everyone. Thank you for arranging such a, what to say, short and sweet program in a very short notice. Thank you very much.
All are looking very
Where
nice after long time.
Yes, yes. After a long time. Students, where are students now? They are not online.
Okay, we all will pray that we will
Any
meet
one of them is there, I
soon
think.
in the school. Okay.
No. We can see them now.
Janvi,
Everyone
Kripa,
is
you're
there.
wearing uniforms also.
Oh.
Who is the host now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Who is the host now?
Very good, very good.
Giving us the feeling of school.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Good. Anmol.
Priyanka is also there. She's also
Yes.
wearing the uniform. Kripa. Come on. What are you wearing? Janvi is also there.
Bhakti, Khushi.
Very
Thank you,
nice
beta.
to see you all.
All of you, you all are doing very nice today. For us only we are there today.
So the meeting is end, no?
Yes, Pranil, please end the meeting now.